Non-Toxic Farm Mom, all bundled up. I thought you might enjoy a quick little tour of what happens when it snows on the little homestead in South Carolina. It doesn't do this often, but we are getting what would be considered a winter storm for us. So I did a lot of the tours ahead of time last night, but I did have to come and let some chickens out. And so I took you on a little tour of our homestead when it snows. So thanks for following along. I hope you are warm. Let me get my scarf down. We also don't have winter tour clothes here in the South. Woo! So I have to bundle up. But anyway, I hope wherever you are warm, you are safe, you have power. So far, we still have power. We're praying right now. It's starting to turn to sleet and it's like windy and gusty. So our power usually goes out, but that means I'll get to have a nice warm fire in the wood burning stove. And anyway, thanks for following along. Make sure, okay, I don't have any hands to point, but make sure you follow along, hit subscribe. So many fun things I want to share with you from our little farm, non-toxic ideas, even when it's cold and wintry and blizzardy, that's not a word, in the South. All right, love you guys. Thanks for joining us. Oh, and they say gobble, gobble, gobble. Hey ladies, what do you think about this? You gonna come out? I know, it's snow. I don't think they like the snow. They're so blessed they have an overhang. The Icelandics, not so much. I'll take you guys up there in a minute. Are you guys gonna come out? Come out, come out! It's snow! There he comes! The chickens of Little Bit of Faith Farm do not like the snow. Okay, so here they are from the big door. They say, no way. We are not going out into the snow. Some of them are still roosting. What are you guys doing? Look, I know, you have clean bedding. Look. They're like, what are we supposed to do with that? I put your food out there. Do I need to bring some in here? Snow is not fun, is it? Poor silkies. Yes, part of their coop is covered, but that end is covered in snow. Hi, silkies. Are you in there? I will feed you in a minute. I will dig you out. Oh, how fun. Here's the beautiful view from the back of the homestead. It is definitely a winter wonderland. Definitely glad I don't live where it's cold all year long. I have to do this. I know some of you do. More power to you. I was not made for that. I think it's starting to sleet. Ooh, let's pray the power stays on. All right, gotta get these done. All right, here are the Icelandics. Let's see if they survived. Thankfully, I moved some of their food underneath the enclosures over there. But they're supposed to like this weather, so we'll see. I need to knock that snow off before it takes down the fence. Oh, the joys of heavy snow. But they don't seem to mind it too much. Here are some of the Icelandics. Yes, oh, and the poor little naked neck. She probably needs a scarf for her neck. Hi guys and girls. Coachins, what are you doing? You have icicles on your face. Okay. Now, oh, we put fresh bedding, but the snow blew in. Hi guys. Hi. There's one. You want some fresh feed? Curly toes. And look at these guys, these ladies. Up here. Are you liking it? They like it, I think. Yeah, you like the snow? Hello, turkeys. These are the turkeys. I think I need to knock some of the snow off for you guys, but it's so pretty. And the cochins, who are super smart, they're all still up in the top. Oh, it's so pretty, but it's so windy. Woo! It reminds me of Indiana blizzards. Oh, walking in the snow. As you can see by my attire, we do not have wintry farm clothes here in the South. I probably should invest in some for times like this, especially now that my children are older and I don't have to like worry about them changing sizes. But here's a little bit of view of the homestead in the snow from Nontoxic Farm Mom. Sorry, my brain is a little frozen. Ooh, can you hear the wind? Oh, super cold. Woo, super cold. All right, y'all, I'm headed back inside before the power goes out to make some warm, hot coffee, or hot coffee, and probably get ready to build a fire before the power goes out. All right, I just thought you would like a sneak peek of all the snow in the South. Love you guys. Thanks for following along.
Come here. Ah! Did you